Book trailer for young readers. Reading is knowledge power. Ever want to go and explore during the summer? We do. Check this out. Wonder if you should go to the forest or the woods and explore? I think you should. You might cross paths with someone else who's also going on an adventure. And you guys can go climbing trees together and explore. You will find lots of exciting things to do and things to find. You can also take a souvenir picture so you will always remember the great adventure that you went on with your new buddy. And you can make future plans for your next adventure. So don't be scared to go out and make new friends and explore together. Go ahead and explore with each other. Go grab your copy of Explorers of the Wild today.